Could you come a bit closer? We have joints in aluminium, in plastic, really different materials. And let's look at the line, constantly moving. Products are constantly coming and being assembled using tools. And to make sure that those products are perfectly assembled, we need to test those tools. And this process is so complex that we in Atlas decided to create a full platform instead of individual solutions. Devices like STPad, STPalm help you with your day-to-day activities. Whether your task is to check tool capability or residual torque, maybe even a specific dimension or temperature, and of course, visually inspect your product. Store your data in a structured and easy-to-access way with QA Supervisor. All of this can be achieved with QA 4.0 platform from Atlas Copco. Please contact us for more details.